So recently I read this book full of wisdom called The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. And in this book, Mr. Ravikant points out a very intriguing thing about human effort. He says that 99% of the effort made by humans just goes to waste. It's just a wasted of time and energy. It sounds discouraging, but it's not. Technically not. And he says that it's not waste in the sense of building relationships. It's not waste in the sense of having experiences, building life, and sharing knowledge, but it's a wastage in the sense of goal achievement. See, when we were child, when we were small, when we used to go to school, we used to study different subjects. We used to attend so many different seminars and training sessions, but we knew that all the knowledge that we are garnering today are not going to be useful in our real life after we get out of this school. You knew then, and you know now today that you are not using any of the knowledge. 99% of the knowledge that you have garnered when you were in school is not useful today in your real life. It's not. All of the relationships that you had, all of the people that you dated before you found your wife, before you found your life partner, that you were 100% sure that you're gonna spend your whole life with that person, it was a wastage of time. And I'm not saying that you did not have good time with that, with all those people that you have dated. I'm not saying that you did not share knowledge and experiences and garnered a lot of life experiences with those people. It's not a wastage in that sense, but it was a wastage in the sense that you knew in your heart of hearts that you are not going to be with that person forever. You do not see the future with that person, but somehow you were with those people. Maybe because of fear, maybe because of some kind of insecurity, but you knew in your heart of hearts that they are not for you, that you guys are not compatible. It's not like they are bad people or you are a bad person. No, it's not like that. It's like, you are not meant for each other. But you just cling on to that relationships because you thought that I've invested so much time and energy in this relationship that it feels wrong, not just for me, but for the other person too, to just drop it. But my friend, I'm telling you, this life that you are living is very small. You just have few decades. If you are lucky, 80, 90 years old, that's it. And even lesser amount of time when you are young, when you are conscious, when you are full of energy, where you have this youth inside of you. Why are you just wasting time in doing the things that you don't truly like? Why are you doing the things which actually does not matter in the long run? Don't waste time, guys. See, whenever I have the option to work out, whenever I have to work out, I have two options. Either I go to the gym in my building, which does not have enough equipment, just one bench, a few dumbbells, one treadmill, one cycle, and few mats. That's it. It's a small gym. And another option is to go to the commercial gym, which is about like 40 minutes from my home. I take buses. So most of the time when I work out, I just choose the gym in my building. Why? Because it saves time. 40 plus 40, how many minutes? 80 minutes, 1.5 hours, guys. I save 1.5 hours every single day by not going to the gym outside my house, my building. Because I know how to work out. I can get almost similar intense training session in my gym because I'm that much more knowledgeable. I'm that much more experienced. So I know how to use all of these equipments, minimal equipments, and get good workout. It's all up to you guys. Don't waste time. I have been recently watching Hamza's videos videos on how to actually grow your YouTube channel. If you don't know who Hamza is, you can just type HAMZA in YouTube, you'll find his videos. So he has his channel Hamza Advanced, in which there is this one video where he talks about, focusing mainly on the things which garner 99% of the results, and not focusing on the side things which just waste our time and just doesn't garner that much of the results. He says that if you want to make a video, script it down, focus on scripting, focus on video recording, focus on editing. That's it. Do not put too much time and effort in building thumbnails, in commenting to different videos, in replying to your comments, and thinking too much about titles and thumbnails. That's just a waste of time. Focus on the things that gets you the most results. So whatever you are doing every single day, if you want to maximize your results and minimize the time that you spent on maximize those results, just ask these two questions with yourself. What am I doing right now that actually drives results? Maximum results. And another question is, if I could do one thing today that makes everything else easier, what would it be? You'll find the answer. And just focus on those things which actually matters the most. Because when you get all these things done, the main things done, the other things are side things. If you don't put too much focus and too much effort on those things, still you will grow, still you will achieve your goal, still you will achieve the aim that you want to achieve. Find the highest ROI activity and just do that. For the first 4 to 5 hours of your day, focus on doing the things which actually matters the most, which actually garners the most results. And after that, when thing is done, you have the rest of the day where your mind is just clear of the main thing that you had to do. Don't focus too much on micromanaging. Focus on the main stuffs. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.